This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must begin by signing in so your payment options appear. Once signed in, make sure your contact info is current. Have the gift card code and PIN available and check the balance before you pick services. Start a booking immediately. Search flights or hotels, select dates, cabin or room type, and click Continue. This gets you to the checkout where payment options load. Doing these steps first prevents surprises and saves time when you reach the payment screen. At checkout, scroll to the payment section and look for gift card, voucher, or promo code fields. Enter the exact alphanumeric code and PIN if requested. Once done, click Apply and wait for confirmation. This will deduct the gift balance from the total. If the gift doesn't cover all charges, make sure to select a second payment method for the remaining amount and confirm the split. Also check for restrictions, such as non-refundable fares or coupons. Before you hit pay, double-check the final amount and that the gift card applied correctly. Then complete the payment and wait for the booking confirmation or e-ticket. Save the invoice and a screenshot showing the remaining gift balance for future reference. If the gift card is rejected, make sure you type the code exactly, clear your browser cache or try a different device and retry. If problems persist, contact Yatra customer support with the booking attempt, code, and screenshots so they can resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.